Hi friends, I am K. Chaudhary here. We are talking about a nice topic. Why? Why means kyun? Favorite teacher, favorite dialogue. Why are you making a noise? Please don't scroll. Yes, comments and like you can do. I know very well. Right? Why did you do it? आपने क्यों किया ये? क्यों किया था आपने? Why? Why did you call me yesterday? Why did you not come yesterday? You can ask, पूछ सकते हो. Why did you not complete your homework? अपना homework पूरा क्यों नहीं किया? In this way you can answer. It is very nice because spoken start from WH word. Yes. Why will you go there? क्यों जाओगे भाई? Why will you sit here? Why will you not listen my talk? क्यों नहीं सुनोगे? Why will you not listen my talk? In this way, why has she broken this glass? क्यों तोड़ा उसने? Right? Why you have not taken lunch? आपने lunch क्यों नहीं लिया? Why you have not taken breakfast? Breakfast, not breakfast. Why you have not taken breakfast? You can try like this. Yeah. Why can he not come today? आज वो क्यों नहीं आ सकता? Why can he not come? Why can she not come? You can speak like this. Why she cannot come today? Right? Why should we go there? हमें क्यों जाना चाहिए? Should मतलब जाना चाहिए. Right? Why should we stay here? हमें रुकना क्यों चाहिए? Why should they bark? उन्हें भौंकना क्यों चाहिए? Because it is your it is their duties. So they are feeling dogs. Why do you need my help? आपको मेरी help की जरूरत क्यों है? Why do you need my help? Let's we learn about a lot of sentences. Right? Yeah. Why are you making videos? For you. Why are you making videos? I am making video for you. You like, you learn, you get knowledge. आपको knowledge मिलती है, ये आपके लिए है. Yeah, I am making video for you. Right? In this way, why? Okay, why? Okay, why do you need money? आपको पैसे की जरूरत क्यों है? तो in this way you can ask now, why do you need money? Right? In this way you can speak now. Why will you sing a song? क्यों गाना गाओगे भाई? Why will you sing a song? Why will you sing a song? क्यों गाना गाओगे? Why will you sing a song? Class is going on. क्लास चल रही है भाई. तो why will you sing a song? आप बोल सकते हैं. क्यों गाना गाओगे? क्यों बैठोगे यहाँ पे? Why will you sit here? Why will you sit here? अच्छा, आज खाना क्यों नहीं खाओगे? Why will you not take food? In this way you can ask, right? Yes. मैं क्यों नहीं जा सकता भाई वहां? मैं क्यों नहीं जा सकता वहां? Why can I not go there? In this way, why can I not go there? In this way you can speak now. Why? Right? आप गाना क्यों नहीं गा सकते? Why can you not sing a song? You can speak now. Why can you not sing a song? Why can you not sing a song? Right? Why can you not draw this picture? in this way, right? हाँ, हमें इंग्लिश क्यों सीखनी चाहिए? Why? Right? Why we should learn English? Question is right. हमें इंग्लिश क्यों सीखनी चाहिए? ओके, हमें आपकी वीडियो क्यों देखनी चाहिए? Why we should learn English? Question is that why should we learn English? Right? Why we should learn English? We should learn English to get the progress, to get the good opportunity, right? To get a good job, right? To make a good career. We should learn English. You can't say that. Why should we learn English? Right? Yeah. Next we can say the why. Why do you like वाटर बॉल्स? और वाटर बॉल्स क्यों पसंद करते हैं भाई? इसका तो कोई आंसर ही नहीं होगा. Why do you like? Because I like is like. Why do you like? Yeah, we can say that. Why? Yes. Why do you like to watch my video? Why do you like my videos? Because you like, you get knowledge. Why do you like my video? Right? In this way you can say that to watch. अब इसको और बढ़ाना है तो हम बोल सकते हैं to watch my videos. Why do you like to watch my video? Yes. अच्छा, आपको दूसरों को प्रमोट करना पसंद है? हाँ, राइट. Why do you like to promote others? Because I also promote. That's why I like to promote. We can say that. Why do you like to promote pro promote others? I like to promote others. In this way you can speak now. Why? We can say that. It is very nice topic. Why? Why do you like? Okay. Yes. Why do you like to present comments? Yes, I like to present comments. Right? Yes. Why do you like to provoke others? I like to provoke others. Provoke. Provoke. In this way, we can use now. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Why? So it is very nice topic. Why? Why will you do it? क्यों करोगे ऐसा? Why will you? Why will you do it? Right? Yeah. In this way, it is very nice topic. Why have to go? Why have to go? क्यों जाना है? Why have to play? Why have to sing? This is the different way. Right? This is the different way. Yes. So, why do you need my help? Why? Right? Why do you want to cut? Why do you want to? Why do you want to purchase a car? Why do you want to purchase a car? Why do you want to learn English? Why do you want to present this style? In this way, you can. Why do you want to my video? Why do you want to watch my video? Why do you want to like my video? Because you like. In this way. Well, why do you want to present comments on my video. Why do you want to present comments on my video? Sir, we like your video. Why do you want to like my video? Why do you want to share? Because you like. That's why. I also like to. So it is a very nice topic. Why have you torn it? क्यों फाड़ा आपने ये? कैसे बोलेंगे? Why have you torn it? Right? आप यहाँ कैसे आए? क्यों आए आप यहाँ? Why have you come here? In this way, it is very nice topic. WH word we start. Right? Next video will be too much good. In this way, you can learn too much. Yes. Okay. But please subscribe and share and present comments. I know you can do.